Hey everyone, welcome to RowdyHacks 2020. I am the director of RowdyHacks on Arroyo, and I am so glad to be here today. We have been waiting for this moment for a really long time, and I can't wait to get started with you guys. So I just wanted to go over our mission. So RowdyHacks aims to cultivate the technology culture and community in San Antonio and Texas. We hope to bring together students of all disciplines to enrich their technical knowledge and encourage collaboration among students with diverse perspectives. So I'm going to go ahead and introduce my team. This is the RowdyHacks 2020 board. Starting with our marketing team, we have Edwin and Rosa as the co-directors of marketing, and then our social coordinator, Amberlyn. Moving on to logistics, we have Leon and Joseph as our co-development coordinators, and Christopher as our technical coordinator, and Ronnie as our director of logistics. And then we have Gage as our director of outreach, Jada as our director of hacker experience, and Lauren as our director of finance. Moving on to sponsorship, our co-directors of sponsorship this year were Jessica and Trey. Some of our biggest fans this year were Russell, Jean, Brian, and Matt. Thanks, guys. And then there's me. So what should you expect this weekend? For all of our first-time hackers and everyone else in general, this is your chance to learn new skills this weekend. Definitely take this opportunity to learn anything you want. This is your chance, and you have 24 hours to do it. If you're a seasoned hacker and you've been coding for a while, this is also your chance to level up your skills in any kind of technologies or software that you really want to get into. So definitely make sure to attend workshops and be on the lookout for anything you else can learn to improve your resume and your overall technical knowledge. And this is a chance for you guys to make new friends. We have hackers from essentially all over the world for this weekend. So be interactive, make some friends, participate in activities. I hope you guys have a really good time. So thank you to all of our sponsors who helped us put on RowdyHacks this year. We truly appreciate you guys and everything you've done for us. We really could not have done RowdyHacks without y'all, so just give a round of applause for all of our sponsors. Thank you so much. So networking with sponsors this weekend. If you were interested in talking to someone from a particular company, just go ahead and head over to their channel, and you can sign up for a time slot or talk to someone directly face-to-face. You can also direct message them. So be sure to check out the sponsors channels on our Discord. And now I'm going to hand it over to Ronnie, our director of logistics, to talk about some of the other things that happened this weekend.
Hey guys, my name is Ronnie and I'm the director of logistics this year. Thank you, Anna, for introducing me. This year, because of the coronavirus, COVID-19, we decided to, instead of postponing or canceling, move everything online, and we're going to be using Discord as like our base of operations, our headquarters for this RowdyHacks. Go ahead and head over to announcements. We're basically just going to be making all the announcements there. If you're looking for a team or you might need to add a couple members to your team, go ahead and head to team building. Getting started is going to help you guys get started, and in case you get stuck on anything, go ahead and head to the help channel. So we do follow the MOH Code of Conduct, and we really want to make sure that no one is being harassed or bullied or just having a bad time, because hackathons are supposed to be a weekend where we can all just have fun, make cool stuff, and just enjoy the entire weekend. So if anything happens that makes you feel uncomfortable, please reach out to one of the organizers on the Discord, or please reach out to Neil, who's our MLH rep. We really are here to help you guys out. All right, so if anybody gets stuck, if anybody has a question, if anybody needs help, we have specific channels for help getting started, which means help with GitHub, help with Discord, or with Zoom, or workshops and things like that. The dev post submission help is going to be useful towards the end of the hackathon when you guys start submitting your projects. And if your question isn't really relevant to either of those channels, please head to the help desk or message one of the organizers. We should all be able to figure out answers for any of your questions. All right, so the schedule is on the website. It's got all the workshops and all the other fun events we're going to be running throughout this weekend. So go ahead and check that out. For the activities, we're going to have a couple rounds of Loteria, which is Mexican bingo. It's going to be presented by AT&T and Jada. Just after midnight, we're going to have MS Painting with Bob Ross. Some of the organizers tested it out earlier. It came out really well, and we're really excited to see all the awesome art you guys make. MLH is still running their side events. Go ahead and check out the MLH events channel for that. And we're also going to be having a duck hunt with cute little Fiesta themed duckies. So head over to the activities general channel to find out more information. Workshops. So we actually have put together a series of learners and beginners workshops for you guys. There's going to be 4 of them. They're presented by some of our wonderful organizers and volunteers. We're going to be announcing workshops in the announcements channel, and then we also have some of our sponsor workshops and MLH partner workshops, and you can check those out in the designated channels. So during hackathons, I feel like we all kind of hit a wall at some point where we just need help. It could be with a bug, it could be with figuring out how to use some kind of technology or find documentation for a language that's maybe less familiar to you, but that's a good thing, right? Like the whole point of a hackathon is to learn new things and make cool stuff, and mentors help you guys do that. So this year we're gonna be using MLH's Mentor Matcher. Basically, you text the word mentor to that number and follow the instructions. And instead of location, we're asking you guys to put your Discord name, not your nickname, but your Discord username. That way, when the mentors get your help tickets, they can basically DM you over Discord and help you out with whatever you guys need. How to submit your projects. So we're doing submission and judging all through DevPost this year. If you haven't checked out the Getting Started channel on Discord, please head there. There's a DevPost section, and it explains how to register on our DevPost. So once you've registered on our DevPost, you're gonna, at the end of the weekend, be ready to submit. And all of the things listed on the screen are what you're gonna need when you submit your project. So you're of course gonna need to name all your lovely team members. The max amount of team members you're allowed to have is 4. You're gonna need to list the Discord usernames for each member. Again, not the nicknames, but the usernames. A link to the source code, which would be a link to a GitHub repository. A video demo of your project. This is important because this is completely an online hackathon, and we really want to see a demo of your project. That way we can judge it fairly. So please, please, please submit a video demo of your project, and if any of you guys need help, we will be there to help you guys out with that. And also please include a description of your project. And also, last thing about projects, it's okay to submit something that's not fully finished. This is a 24-hour event that happens over a weekend, and you're all learning so many new things at such a fast pace. We don't expect anybody to be perfect or ready to roll out an app like Monday morning at 8 a.m. So whatever you have at the end of the weekend, submit it, be proud of it. And I think at the end of the day, the idea and the concept is really, really important. And I think if you can communicate what you wanted to do, what you were trying to do, and how you tried to do it, you'll be just fine. All right, so I'm gonna hand everybody over to Trey, who is one of our co-directors of sponsorship, to talk about the rest of opening ceremonies.
Thank you, Ronnie. First of all, thank you for being here during these troubling times. We were looking forward to this event for a long time, and I know it's not what any of us imagined, but we're doing our best to make this the best hackathon it can be. And I bet you're all wondering what the different tracks and challenges you can do are at this hackathon. First, we have our general track for our more seasoned and experienced programmers, which you would have the possibility of winning the grand prize or a runner-up prize, everybody on the team. The grand prize being a PS4 bundle with a 12-month PlayStation Plus subscription, and our runner-ups getting a 3D printer. Not bad. Our learners track will get the Rocketbook bundle and waterproof portable speaker, and our runner-ups will get headphones and a portable charging bundle. Our cyber track grand prize is a Raspberry Pi bundle and headphones, while the runner-ups get a Internet of Things themed hacker box. Our best hardware hack of the weekend will receive a PC bundle, including keyboard, mouse, mousepad, and gaming headset. And our best user experience and user interface hack will get Nanoleaf modular light panels, which will look just as good as your UI will be, hopefully. And if you're interested in taking part in any company challenges, feel free to enter their channels for challenge information and prizes. And if you want even more details on the specs of prizes, go ahead and hit up our dev post. Now, please notice that this is the second time we've added the URL to our dev post, so please make sure you are actually registered during the event so you don't have to deal with it down the line. We have 6 criteria for judging. Our first is the UI UX. We want to know if the project is easy to use for consumers and does it look neat. We want its originality. Is it new? Has it something that we've never seen before? We want to know the creativity. What unique methods did you use to solve problems while you were building your project? And then we want our technical proficiency. How much effort was put to develop the idea? How many lines of code were written? And then the innovation. How does it build on what already exists in our current market? And growth, your personal growth. How much did you learn over the course of the weekend? All of those features are very important when deciding who takes home the grand prizes this weekend. But fear not, for we have plenty of opportunities to win really cool stuff. Follow us, subscribe to us, or give us a like on any of these social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook. You could win 6 months of Spotify Premium, a year of Disney Plus, $50 JCPenney gift card, plus Petfolio and pen, or an Amazon Clock Dot bundle with light bulbs. If you don't have social media, register for accounts, follow RowdyHacks, and then delete the accounts after the event. Just make sure you take advantage of this opportunity. We're also going to have a social media photo challenge. Post a picture of your hacker workspace or your team on Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook. Tag us and include the hashtag RowdyHacks2020. Be creative. Do it over Zoom. Just make sure you're at least 6 feet apart while you're doing it. We're also going to have raffles in our Discord with a chance to get a retro gaming console, UFI smartboard, Polaroid camera, or a $50 iTunes gift card. So be active in the Discord throughout the entire weekend because you don't want to miss out. And we have a special deal with our in-kind sponsor, Tiff's Treats. Enjoy a 50% off coupon for any cookie delivery over the weekend. You can access this coupon through our tiny URL below. And now, a special message from Major League Hacking.
Hey everyone, hope you all are staying safe during quarantine. Let's go ahead and get started. My name is Neil and I'm here with Major League Hacking. Before I get started, I want to call out our social media accounts. You can follow us at MLHacks on Twitter and at Major League Hacking on Facebook. We're going to be active on those platforms throughout the entire event. So I'm going to be covering a lot of content throughout the presentation, but all the information you can find on hack.mlh.io. And don't worry, I'll be posting this link on the Discord as well. So what is Major League Hacking? Well, we're the global hacker community. It's actually our mission to empower hackers. We empower 135,000 plus hackers just like you across our 250 member events. Right now, by attending RowdyHacks, you're earning community points for your college in our season-long contests. So what is MLH doing this weekend? Well, if you want to take a break from hacking, we're going to be hosting 2 fun events. First one is a U.S. Air Force Cybersecurity Challenge happening at 4 o'clock p.m. CDT on the MLH-Events channel on Discord. And later on in the day, we're going to be having a slideshow karaoke happening at 9 o'clock p.m. CDT on the MLH-Events channel as well. We're also going to be having a Draw an Octcat, Win an Octcat contest hosted by GitHub. If you can draw GitHub's mascot, Mona the Octcat, and tweet at Gib Education using the hashtags MyOctcat and RowdyHacks 2020, you can get a chance to win a Mona the Octcat statue, which is pretty neat. Speaking of GitHub, they have an amazing student developer pack that I highly recommend everyone check out. They offer 100 plus tools, APIs, technologies that y'all can utilize within your hacks. And guess what? You can get this all for free, so highly recommend checking that out. We have a ton of resources that we're providing throughout the entire event. Start off, you can get a free .space, .tech, or .online domain with domain.com. Just use the weekend code HeatUpMLH at checkout. If you want to use Google Cloud within your hack, check your emails. Y'all should have received $100 worth of credits. And don't worry if you run out. Feel free to contact me, and I can give you a refiller. And lastly, we're going to be having a best use of Google Cloud challenge as well. So I highly recommend checking out Google Cloud. If you want to host a database and database within your hack, check out MongoDB Atlas to utilize within your backend. If you want to automate tasks, check out UiPath Robots. If you want to automate tasks like web scraping or maybe your emails, honestly, the list is endless. Definitely recommend checking them out. And here's just a summary of all our hackathon starter kits that we offer. If you even want to go over to Discord, there's a learning toggle. I actually posted the links to all our starter kits there as well. Definitely check those out. We're going to be hosting 4 different prizes throughout this weekend. The first one is Best Domain Registered with domain.com. So looking forward to see some creative domains. Best UiPath Automation in Hack. Best use of Google Cloud. And best use of MongoDB Atlas. If you're looking for an internship or job, these companies below love hackers. So I highly recommend applying to all of these. And on a more serious note, MLH hackathons are a safe space for everyone. Whether you're an organizer, hacker, or a sponsor, you abide by MLH's code of conduct. If you see any issue, please don't hesitate to contact myself via Discord or use the contact information on the slide that you can see here. Lastly, I want to thank all our partners for making all our MLH member events possible. And yes, happy hacking, everyone.
Alrighty, guys. We are so happy you're spending the weekend with us and learning all these new technologies and software. We're really excited to see everything you make, everything you learn, all the challenges you face. So thanks for being here with us this weekend. We're going to have a really fun time. Thanks again to all of our sponsors. We love you guys. Happy hacking.